Welcome to Orient Lodge, a restored log and stone bungalow built in 1904 during the arts and crafts movement. We're located in North Stamford's Long Ridge Village Historic District, overlooking the Sawmill Pond on over 2 gorgeous acres. In a minute, I'm going to be taking you inside for a quick tour, but before we go in, let's take in the views. We have gorgeous perennial gardens, rock gardens, majestic trees. And as you can see, we're set well back from the road. Total privacy and the perfect country retreat. Come on inside. Now, the arts and crafts movement was an international movement towards more natural and organic forms and materials, often infusing medieval or Asian or romantic elements. And as you might have guessed, at Orient Lodge, we do notice quite a bit of the Asian theme throughout the house. Starting in this entryway, we have antique wallpaper in gorgeous condition, and then several windows with etchings. Art and craftsmanship being super important during this period, you'll notice a lot of hand-carved wooden panels with a lot of intricate detailing, as well as some fretwork. You're inside my favorite room of the house, which is the 600 square foot great room with pretty much all original features, including the vaulted beam ceilings, varnished exposed timber walls, more etched glass windows, and the focal point and centerpiece of the room being this floor-to-ceiling river rock fireplace in perfect condition. Now, fun fact, the movie Gigantic was filmed here in 2008, and there's a scene with Ed Asner at this fireplace making tea. It's pretty cool. Check it out. What I love about this room, obviously, is its large size for large family gatherings, and then also indoor and outdoor entertaining through these doors out to the wraparound porch. Follow me to the dining room. And as we go through this doorway, notice the gold leaf ornate doors. Stunning. And the original dining room here also has the beam ceilings and a river rock fireplace. Of course, there's much more to the house to see. We have 3 finished levels, close to 5,000 square feet here in the main house, and then we have a carriage house that was the original sawmill from 1825. There are still stalls in the bottom when it was converted to a carriage house, but now is an apartment with a tenant, so income potential, which is great. Plenty to see, gorgeous setting, a perfect country home. So please call me if you know of anyone who might be interested. Thank you.